Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, force quit Roblox and remove it from the app switcher so no corrupted session remains. Once done, check storage and free at least 1 GB. Low space causes crashes. Then restart the iPad, hold the top button, slide to power off, and wait 10 seconds before powering back on. This simple sequence clears RAM and temporary glitches, which often fixes crashes immediately. It also prepares the device for the next steps, without wasting time on needless troubleshooting. Next, make sure both iPad OS and Roblox are current because version mismatches create instability. Go to Settings, General Software Update, install the latest iPad OS. Then open the App Store, update Roblox. If crashes persist, offload Roblox in Settings General iPad Storage, then reinstall from the App Store. Offloading removes corrupted binaries while preserving app data. This sequence replaces broken files and aligns the app with system APIs, reducing crash triggers by resolving compatibility and file integrity issues before further diagnostics. Finally, launch Roblox and test it for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm stability. Make sure background apps are closed so CPU and RAM are focused on the game. If you use a VPN or a weak Wi-Fi network, turn it off. Network timeouts and packet loss can look like app crashes. If problems continue, reset network settings or perform a clean reinstall by deleting the app and reinstalling, then logging back in. Troubleshooting tip: try another Wi-Fi network. If Roblox runs there, the issue is your router or ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.